Hey guys,
What's up?
Cody here and Tristan. I got a package today for my wing riser, so let's unbox this, check it out. Alright, so I got the anodized blue riser. Here's the hardware, and now we'll show you what tools you need to install it.
Great. So, what tools you're gonna need is a T20 Torx, 8mm socket, an extension if you want, 1/4-inch ratchet, and a pick to get off the plastic piece that covers up where the bolts are. And then over here we have the hardware and the riser. Alright, you can stop it there.
Alright, first thing we gotta do is remove this antenna.
It just unscrews.
Alright, so this is off. We'll just
Sorry.
put this over here. And right now
I'm eating chicken.
we have a cameraman, but we'll introduce him in a little bit because he'll be in a couple of videos coming up. And next,
T20 Torx, 1/4-inch drive.
remove the third brake light.
I do have a battery impact, but it's so cold out, I don't want to crack anything. That wouldn't be good for Cody. I'd cry.
Hoping to get a more aggressive look with this. Whoops.
Did it crack?
I hit my glass. Okay, and it is only like 12 degrees out, so it's cold in here. I can see my breath.
Why are you whispering? If you're talking,
You can talk.
it
They
picks
can
it
hear
up.
you. They hear you. Trust me, I was whispering in the last video, they heard me.
Lighting's kind of awkward. It's like really bright at some
So
shots.
try and stand maybe
What
like
if I stop
behind the light.
right here?
Okay, so
There we go.
That's a lot better.
this is my tail light. It's extremely dirty. I have nightshade on it, but
So was the whole car till we washed it earlier.
yeah, I washed it today. Alright, so now we'll pop this open.
Cody's got these nice blue lights.
They can't even see those. But I already took this off just for convenience and stuff.
That's right there.
And whoever owned this car before me, there's no bolts for there or there. So we'll get to that then.
And
Oh, we want to remove these first.
does it matter?
Probably not.
Okay, well
Just go with it.
we'll just cut that out.
No, just go with it.
All right, we won't cut that out.
We're not cutting it out. You guys like to see. We're not professionals in any way, but we try.
We don't get paid enough. Got that one nut.
Yeah, it's getting there. Alright, so where do you got the tool for that?
Alright, you just... Quick intermission while Cody gets these nuts out. I would like you guys to check out my toolbox stickers.
Toolbox in general, it's ginormous.
It's not that big.
It's as tall as you.
Alright, bring it up here to the first sticker. It's kind of underneath there. I had to put it kind of hidden so that way my shop didn't get mad, but it says suck me and it has a slushie. Interpret that however you want. Got Summit, GoPro. These stickers here came with it. I don't know who owned it and why they have these weird stickers on here, but that's that. Wix filters, Sunoco, Summit again, and this RAM, I have no idea what that's for either. But yeah.
It's a goat beard.
Oh, and I have this Summit one here.
Oh, thrush. Check that out, guys.
Oh yeah, and Thrush. Oh, I forgot I had that. And another Sunoco.
Yeah, the last one's right here.
Alright, so towards the end, just like hold the wing up so that way it doesn't fall on your paint. I got it then.
It shouldn't fall because we'll have to yank it towards.
Yeah, but as we can tell, it was probably taken off before, so just be cautious.
Alright, so all these bolts are off. I'll set it to the side.
Also, our contest is still going for what wheels are gonna go on Cody's ST.
Because I had a couple guys from work who knew what car or what wheels I was getting and decided
That definitely did not sound good.
Alright.
She's off.
Well, it's a good thing I
It
didn't
looks
need
good.
these. I didn't need these clips. So try and pull that out there, Tristan.
Yeah, I'll pop that out then. You got a screwdriver.
Well, these plastic things broke because of the cold, but it's a good thing they had to be removed anyway.
I think it looks good that way, Cody.
Yeah, we'll clean it off a little bit before.
Yeah, if you just keep it like that, you'll look like a
Weight reduction.
Honda Life.
So, truth is, this thing's going in the trash. I got a carbon fiber one, so.
You got the RS one.
Alright, so let's just set that there for now.
While it's in the trash.
On another note, I got pulled over today.
Yeah, that was fun.
It was fun.
Go ahead, Cody, tell him.
I wasn't even speeding. I wasn't going fast, nothing like that. I was pulled over because of Pennsylvania's stupid law. Let me get this camera a second. Alright, so if you have a license plate in Pennsylvania, you need this sticker on it up here in the top corner. And mine is out by like 8-10 months. So I got pulled over and got a $200 fine. So I got to pay that in 10 days. But it's all good. Alright, I'll give the camera back to Zach.
I also have an announcement to make. There's not going to be an ST, another Focus ST on this channel. I looked at insurance rates. I don't get paid enough for that. So eventually, we'll see. We'll see what I get. It's in the air between a GTI, a WRX, or
Please don't
another
get a
Mustang.
Alright, now the next part is we got to put on the stickers in this. Hang on. In this hole, that hole, that hole, that hole, and this one. And then we got the wing setting over here. We got to put pieces on that. Alright, back to the camera guy. Here, I'll show you guys Zach.
This is Zach. He's falling for us.
He has the Fiesta ST.
I do. I have a 2014 Fiesta ST. We'll get into that a little more later. Right now, we're going to put this wing on Cody's ST.
Do you have all the stickers?
Cody's about to put stickers on.
Alright, one more sticker to go.
I must say I'm very impressed with Ford. They actually set the car up to be aftermarket.
Well, I think with the Focus ST, they really like. Anybody who watches videos about the Focus ST will pretty much agree that Ford really did a great job with this, just because they haven't really made a sporty vehicle other than like the Mustang recently.
And the same thing with the Fiesta and the RS. Both
Yeah.
are, really good cars.
Now we got to put on these pieces.
There we go. Getting ready.
So we'll put these on. There's a bigger one. It's going to go here. And one's here. And here. So we got to tighten those on.
And
Alright, so I'm just hand tightening these right now. As much as I can until.
looks good already.
Maybe I won't tighten it, I'll just leave it like this and see if it holds. Just kidding.
have all three of them over there. Let's see which ones.
Oh, you got it. So it says not to tighten these up fully yet because we might have to adjust them.
Yeah, because it's not going to line up perfect right away.
And this goes in here. Alright, there's a bigger one and a smaller one. So the bigger one's going to go right here.
Where's the bigger one going on top here?
Yeah.
Alright. With these two screws.
Yeah, I'm going to need your screwdriver.
Alright, second drawer. Or second.
Second from the bottom. Let's see, is this one gonna fit? I'll use this.
You're not in the hole.
Thank you. I can't see.
Hold that, Tristan.
Oh, he's good. He's working down there.
I didn't know what he was doing.
Going over.
Don't tighten them the whole way,
Yeah.
just because we still might have to do some adjustments.
Probably.
So that way it, lines up good.
Oh, go one turn off there. Let that kind of floppy.
Oh, by the way, my sweatshirt's really dirty. It has sawdust on it. I was just bringing wood in. We have a wood furnace.
Because here in Pennsylvania, it is very cold right now.
Yeah,
Very cold.
we're at 12 degrees with a low of 0 today.
Probably feels like -6 out with wind.
Which I think, yeah, with wind chill, it's really bad. I just did it so that way you move
Yeah,
this a
I'll
little bit.
back off a half turn.
Alright, we got all the spacers on. Now
There we go.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a tripod. As you guys watch us, me and Tristan are gonna hold the wing up while Cody puts the bolts in the backside.
Well, I gotta tighten these up then.
So
Point the camera at me quick. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
I need that Allen.
Alright, we are back. So what we did,
key.
I have the Allen wrench, he doesn't know.
Give me that Allen key.
Alright, so basically what we did, we went inside to warm up because it is freezing. It is like 12 degrees out here.
I've been shivering.
So with the wing risers, what we did, I'll just bring it over here real quick. I'll set you back. So what we did with the wing riser is we tightened them not too tight enough that we could move. And then what we did is we lined it up on the car and we moved it and then we retightened them. So that way they're lined up right away for the video. So anyways, then we tightened them down real good. And then what we're gonna do, Zach and I are gonna hold the wing, and then our man Cody will be tightening it down.
Alright.
So I'll set you guys back down over here. We'll show you guys the inside. We'll snap that plastic piece back in. So the one that came with Cody's ST, it only had one bolt. We don't have two, but we're not too worried because we will replace them. So we got these on the edges here. Got those.
This one was stripped, so we put an extra washer in.
Yeah, we screwed up, we stripped, but I rethreaded it by stripping it, so it's all good. RIP yams. Alright, so now we're gonna pop this plastic piece back in. It should just snap in. Just gotta beat her a little bit.
Yes.
We're gonna run.
I'm running with it.
But see that gap there? That wasn't there before. It was flush with the roof of the car.
Now it has a little bit of angle.
So now,
I And it's on there pretty good. It's not going anywhere.
It looks a lot more aggressive for sure. What are you doing now, Cody?
Putting in the back.
Putting in the third brake light. Can't even tell it's there. It's night shaded.
Yeah, but it's dirty.
Cold. Yeah, 10 degrees does get to me. We'll say. How are we looking?
Pretty good. Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, so it definitely adds a lot more of an aggressive touch to the rear.
Oh yeah. Big time.
This thing's filthy.
I just washed it today.
It's still filthy.
Don't look at my crooked exhaust. I need to get the Cobb exhaust mounts because the Roush exhaust slides around a ton.
Yeah. Well, to end this video, we can give a cold start. Just send it. Just send it. Run it. Alrighty, guys. Been real. Cody's ST wings on. Zach's not paying attention, but he got introduced to the channel.
And we'll have him in a video when there's daylight because right now outside
It's
it
dark.
is black.